Hello, today we'll learn about the Python sites and it is a very essential part to learn about the data structure of the Python. Here we can see uh, here you can't store any duplicate value. So when you want to be explicitly use that kind of data structure, they are not need to be uh, and duplicate value has to be stored. So that time you could simply use a set function, set data structure. It is a very useful for that time. And set data set is represented by the curly braces. Um, then you can write whatever you any such kind of data type is want to be stored. As earlier we knew about that the Python sets is a derived data structure. It is not a pure data structure of the Python. It is derived from the like a float, integer, and and many more. We have earlier discussed about five data types. So here, let's see the we have created with the name of days uh, data sets. So if I want to be run this only current cell, so we have created like this, and we want to add some uh, another day, like I want to add a Sunday. So how could I do uh, to add a Sunday? So let's we have days add and just type what you want to be add and just type it f it. Why it is not working? Let's see. So we have to type it F9, and now run it. Sunday has been added in our day list, in our day sets. So mm, if you want to remove some remove some if you want to be remove some elements from the set, you could use here uh, discard function. So let's see how it works. So we have days and we want to remove, sorry, Monday. Monday has been deleted. So let's print, yeah. And in set earlier we have studied in linear algebra. There we do usually like union kind of things. So uh, if you want to be another if you want to be add some elements from the another sets, so you could do union from both of them. So that's where you can add whole element in one sets from the another sets. So let's see, we have like this one sets and another sets is s2. and we want to be mm, add. Let's see. So sets is also unmutable. This is mutable. So you can remove from the last element as well by the pop method, and you can also remove by the some particular element. So let's see if you want to be apply pop method. So let's remove last method. So here it when it has been removed from the first element. So how it is possible? I don't know. Again, just run it. In sets, it works. Okay, and now we have to remove last. We want to remove some particular elements. So let's see. We want to remove. So first of all, we have to type it. What element remains in the S1? 3, 4, 5, and in H2 whole element has been remained right now. So we want to remove 5. So 5 has been removed from the S2. So let's see. Okay, it will work by the way. It is not, and let's see to try pop method. It will remove particular element. Pop will not work. Yeah, with